every adhigaram, Puruladhigaram is consisting of 9 chapters. One is Agathinayiyal, second one is Kalaviyal, third one is, first one is Agathinayiyal, second one is Purathinayiyal, third one is Kalaviyal, fourth one is Karpiyal, fifth one is Poruliyal, sixth one is Omayiyal, seventh Meipatiyal, eighth Chayyuliyal, ninth Marabiyal. This is the order.
Okay.
What do you mean by Porul means what are the subject matters to be dealt in the poem writing? That is the thing Tolgapiyar wanted to say in very clear form. Because the content of a poem, either it is in Agam or in Puram.
Okay.
If it is Agam, what are the methods for Agam? Means Kalaviyal, Karpiyal and Poruliyal. If it is Puram, warfare, it is Purathinayiyal. By way of writing the Agam and Puram type of poems, you need to have a prosody and poetics. That is Chayyuliyal and Omayiyal. While you are communicating something in poem, you need to tell the rasa. That is called the Meipatiyal. For these things, you have to follow certain conventions. That conventions are known as Marabiyal. Right?
Absolutely beautiful, sir. Thank you so much.
This is the way how Tolgapiyar presented his grammar.
Yeah, it's flowing like a waterfall, like a cascade.
Yeah, right. Because that is the beauty in Tolgapiyam. It needs to have lot of continuity in Tolgapiyam. Or otherwise, it is not at all a possible thing to make the author to understand the tradition and the culture and the language system, anything and everything in Tolgapiyam, find it in neat form. Even after Tolgapiyam, some of the grammarians written their own grammar. Those grammar books are giving lot of ambiguity. But whereas in Tolgapiyam, we don't get any ambiguousness at all. It is a very clear-cut, foolproof grammar work. That is the beauty of Tolgapiyam, because even the scholars are not knowing it, how that Tolgapiyar was able to think widely about the language and the culture and the subject matter of the poem and put it everything in one grammar book in a good order, in a neat form. No one is having any doubt. If you are going to read Tolgapiyam, that Tolgapiyam will make you to understand the beauty of the language and what are the content in the Tamil language is totally given in detailed form in Tolgapiyam. That is the beauty of that book.
Please tell us about Bhakti movement, Alvas and Nayanas. So I just thought I'll leave this parked for a later consideration.
Okay. First, Kalaviyal. What do you mean by Kalavu? Kalavu means the hero and the heroine fall in love with each other. This kind of love affair is not known by their parents. That is called the Kalavu. While doing that Kalavu, what are the methods they have to adopt? Accidentally they are meeting and they fall in love with each other and they wanted to develop their love. The beauty in the Tolgapiyam, if you want to adopt that Kalavu, you have to maintain that Kalavu only for 3 months. Tolgapiyar says in his grammar, Kalavu oru moonru thingal igavadadu. It means it should not exceed more than 3 months. Why he mentioned in that way? First of all, we have to understand in those days, Kalavu means both the hero and heroine not only they are exchanging their mind, they are having the real physical union. Tamil tradition, Tamil culture accepting these details. So Kalavu means the hero and the heroine both are fall in love with each other and they are having regular union. The regular union means regular physical union. So that is called the Kalavu. The Kalavu means, if you are going to say in the modern language, it is called Thiruttu, stealing. So Kalavu means nobody is knowing about the hero and heroine, but they are loving each other and they are having regular meeting and they are having the regular union union also. So within 3 months, they have to expose their love affair to their parents, either by direct manner or indirect manner. Then automatically the parents will start to allow them to have the marriage. Why it is 3 months means within the 3 months they have to enjoy their love affair, or otherwise it will be a nuisance for them because she will get conceived, that will be properly exposed to the society. Automatically the girl will get the bad name in the society. That's why Tolgapiyar says Kalavu ஒரு 3 திங்கள் மேல் இகவாதது. Tingal means month. It should not exceed more than 3 months. Within 3 months they have to communicate their love affair directly or indirectly to their parents. So this is called Kalavu. So while they are actually fall in love with each other, whenever they want to meet, they can use their friends. The hero's friend is known as Pangan. Heroine friend is known as Pangi. So first time accidentally they are meeting. Next time they used to come to the same place where they met previously. That is known as Idam Talaipadu. After that Idam Talaipadu, with the help of the friend, hero will identify the heroine's place where she is coming from. So by way of getting the information through the friend, hero will go to that heroine's place. See the details. The heroine is not supposed to come to the hero's place. Every time hero has to go to the heroine's place. First time it is accidental, second time intentional, third time with the help of the Pangan, the hero is muting the heroine. The Pangan means friend of the hero. Fourth time, with the help of the heroine's friend, the hero will get the heroine there. So that is called Pangiyar Kootam. And whenever they are meeting in the daytime, that is called Pagal Kuri. It means Pagal means daytime, Kuri means a specific place. So the heroine will identify the specific place to meet. It will be properly communicated to the hero, and hero will come and wait for the heroine. Heroine and friend will come there, and the hero meet the heroine, and they are enjoying each other. So is there any disturbance in the daylight meeting? That is known as Pagal Kuri Idayidu. Idayidu means hindrance. So it is not possible for the heroine to find a place to meet the hero in the daytime. So he is communicating the same thing to the hero. Immediately hero decided to meet the heroine in the night time in the premises of the heroine. That is called Iravu Kuri. Iravu Kuri means, Iravu means night, Kuri means a specific place. That is the heroine's residence. Because in those days, you may ask a simple question: how it is possible hero used to come to the heroine's place and meet her in her residence? So nowadays we are in flat culture or independent house culture. These are all the not a form in those days. Because in those days, every house was having a very big garden. We usually say the first pass is the living room, second one their personal room, third one is cooking range, fourth range is the cattle and the gardens. So this is called the house in those days. So normally the hero will come and meet the heroine in the last area where the garden is there. So for that he will come and make some specific sound. These are all the 6 stages in Kalavu. All these 6 stages, the heroine's parent or the hero's parent are not knowing about their daughter and son. That is
clear, sir. But please, on the 6 stages, matrum konjam, please, can you repeat?
One is Iyarkai Punarchi. Accidentally they are meeting. Second one is Idam Talaipadu. Intentionally they do want to meet. Third one is Pangan Kootam. With the help of the friend, hero meets the heroine. Fourth one is Pangiyar Kootam. Pangi means friend of the heroine. So with the help of the friend of the heroine meeting the hero. Fifth one is Pagalkuri, the daylight where they used to meet. Sixth one is Iravukuri, in the night time the hero used to come to the heroine's place and meet. For your information, all these 6 stages, Iyarkai Punarchi, the first one is quite natural. All other things may happen, may not happen. Right? After the Iyarkai Punarchi, accidental union, they may straight away go to the marriage also. Or after the Pangan Kutam, they may go to the marriage. So it is not at all necessary. They have to stick on to keep all the 6 stages, not necessary. After the first stage, if they want to marry, if they will be exposing themselves to their parents, automatically they will go for the marriage. So this is the maximum stage, the Iravuki, the night time, the hero used to come and meet the heroine. That is the last stage. Or the heroine has to tell her love affair to her parents directly or indirectly, then only the marriage will